First of all, I thank everyone who's over here. First is Neerav, Neha. You all have been motivated to me. Neerav has been specially there to motivate me for WTD. It is not WTD, it is I'll tell it as a life-changing things which is happening. And Neha has changed me to think about health. So every day I speak the word I've started speaking that I'm a health magnet and I'm a wealth magnet, I'm a spiritual magnet, and I have made Neerav as my mentor for the property learnings which I want to learn. I have made him Neerav as a mentor. Nihar has been, I've seen the inspiration in the batches which he comes and does that. It is just amazing at this age what he does. So thanks a lot. Because again, if you would have not been there, the sessions which have moved, because I told that the first session which I had, the second session में बहुत कुछ change था, तो नीरव ने बोला कि काफ़ी सारे changes हो गए 2 हफ्ते में, तो so that was just because of him. नेहा के बारे में तो nothing, like I thought कि just जब उसने when she told me just about the diet, it's just been I think 15 days, but I'm feeling great.
Wow.
It's just great.
Fantastic.
Because I have become Sajjak, जो मैं यहाँ लिखता था अभी लिखा नहीं है, मैं लिख के रखता हूँ कि I have become that is my mantra for 2011, Sajjak, that is conscious. And she's made me conscious about health. So she's being there motivated. She's not listening to me. Anyway, thanks to her.
Right. And what is your opinion on the W2D intro session, the workshops? How would it benefit people? How has it benefited you?
WT2 has been just amazing because I have put up in my whole scheduler that it's my inspiration and to spread awareness. So every day that is there in my scheduler, which I write particularly that W2D में है लिखा हुआ कि to spread awareness, whatever I can do. So as Neerav has told me to join and take intros, but I have told him that once I'm 100% confident about it is not that I'm not confident I can't take that, I can take it. But first it has to be come from in anything which I speak about WT, or if it is a slide also, I should have done it personally. So I think that I have not done everything. I've started with VVP, तो ऐसा हो रहा था कि पूजा को मैंने बोला था तो 20 दिन हो गया, she was busy with something, so मेरे को ऐसा लगा चल एक दिन का काम है, होना तो चाहिए. So I called my cousin and just sat for 3 hours, took made 6 slides, then another Sunday वापस आया, वापस 4 घंटे बैठ गया और slides बना लिया कि नहीं. But she told me like कि भाई हाँ images बाजार से आप images लो तो मुझे बहुत कुछ अच्छा मिला, and it's been all going on day by day. WTD कह सकते हैं ना कि अंदर
जा रहा है,
चॉकलेट बोलो या आप कुछ भी बोलो, उसके अंदर easily हर veins के अंदर चल रहा है. It's moving.
Fantastic.
I'm on the move with WTD always, so I want to be a part of it. It's going to be every time. It's just a lifetime commitment.
Wow. And what is your self-talk? I mean, how is it helping you, the self-talk?
Self-talk has been there because I read it at least 1.5 times. आप बोल सकते हो 2 बार पढ़ता हूँ, लेकिन एक बार तो कंपलसरी पढ़ता हूँ. और self-talk is being just great. लेकिन VVP जो किया उसके बाद बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है actually. Because जैसे आज भी था, so I thought I should go for NFS or not, लेकिन फिर बोला नहीं, I should not change my दिनचर्या just because it's my birthday, because I slept at 12 o'clock, so I got up at 4:30. 4:30 उठ के I did my meditation and then I came to NFS. So I thought, and that time मैं उस सब thought VVP जो भी थे, अभी रोज ये हो गया every morning के अंदर के when I sit in meditation, all the VVPs सब आ जाते हैं. मतलब I remember all the things personally कि भाई मैंने इसके अंदर ये डाला, that means I am there. So हर VVP को मैं personally मैं रोज एटलीस्ट दिन में 2 बार याद करता हूँ, इसीलिए I told Neerav that कि what are the statements which I should be writing, present continuous क्या है. So I wanted to have a session with you personally for that I don't use the wrong words, because पूरे दिन के अंदर वो पॉजिटिविटी चलती रहती है जो मेरे VVPs है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं माइंड से आउट ऑफ फोकस होता हूँ. And lots of things, like I can just keep talking about the slides. I can just keep talking about any slide you tell about WTD. मैं सब बोलता जाऊँगा, बोलता सकता हूँ. It's all inside feeded, सब है. आप कुछ भी सही बोलोगे, कोई पूछेगा मेरे को सवाल कि ये क्या है, तो मैं उसके बारे में भी WTD के बारे में बोल सकता हूँ.
Wow, great sir, congratulations.
So I want to take it to much more places. I have spoken to like my cousin in Surat also. I told him you come down here once more. That's another elder brother of Darshan, because he's into events right now. So he's got good contacts, but I don't want to focus. And if he asks me, though he's my brother, but if he tells me that he has to put up his name there with the company, then I would not prefer that. I would like to have only W2D. उसमें किसी का नाम, मेरा भी नाम नहीं चाहिए. It is just W2D. Wake up to your dreams. किसी का नहीं है कि भाई आप इवेंट कर रहे हो तो आप उसका नाम डालो. And I don't want my name also. It is just straight forward. एक ही चीज के कोई भी बोले, मैं बोलूँ कि पूजा बोले, मेरा ये it will be my thing that it has to be focus has to be only W2D और कुछ भी नहीं.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic.
Anywhere, wherever I take it as, it is going to be purely W2D और कुछ. Lots and loads of thanks to Neerav.